Williamson County Sheriff says he's never seen anything like this in his career. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
I'm Daniel Marin. Investigators say a mother and father tried to help their son kill his ex-wife and a county judge, all over money and an ongoing custody battle. KXAN's Barrett Tryon has new details on how authorities say this all unfolded.
This is, you can't make that stuff up type case. This is, made for TV.
A murder plot in Williamson County playing out in the early morning hours of March 28th at a home in Liberty Hill.
Williamson County 911 received a call from a teenager reporting that his mother and her boyfriend had been shot by an unknown intruder who forced entry into their home while they slept.
The woman was shot 11 times. The boyfriend was shot twice. Both of them survived. Investigators say that intruder turned out to be the woman's ex-husband. He's been identified as Clinton Harmon.
Female victim and Harmon were in the midst of a child custody dispute in Williamson County over the custody of their 7-year-old child, who was not home at the time of the shooting.
Deputies say in July they received a call from Harmon's ex-girlfriend.
She recalled a family meeting in Bastrop County in July of 2023 where Harmon, his mother Teresa, and his adopted father Matt discussed ways to murder the victim, as well as the judge presiding over the custody case.
The sheriff says Matt Harmon went a step further with the plans.
Matt Harmon remarked, quote, "I'm just telling you, I'll do 10 to 20 to get that grandbaby." They discussed using fentanyl to drug the victim, obtaining her license plate number, and hiring quote-unquote thugs from Austin to carry out the crime.
The sheriff says Clinton Harmon went as far as driving from Bastrop to Liberty Hill, carefully planning his route to make sure he did not pass any cameras or use any toll roads.
So he could gain his anonymity and say that he was at home all night and his car had never left.
Except there was a major crack in the case when detectives found out Clinton's car had a tracker on it, something that had been put on the car by his lender when Harmon bought it.
A subpoena for the vehicle location on the day of the attempted murder confirmed that the vehicle was just 0.4 miles from the crime scene.
September 8th, authorities arrested Harmon for attempted capital murder as he tried to board a plane in Louisiana. Detectives arrested his parents Monday in Bastrop County. They're charged with offensive retaliation for the threats to the judge. In Williamson County, Barrett Tryon, KXAN News.
Clinton Harmon is expected to be sent back to Texas soon. He has a $2 million bond. His parents are both being held on a $1 million bond. None of them had a criminal history. Deputies said there could be more arrests as this investigation unfolds.
And going in depth on this, in 2017, the Texas legislature passed the Judge Julie Kucerik Judicial and Courthouse Security Act. Now, the act implemented changes to improve security for judges in both the courtroom and at home. Some of those changes included starting a court security division at the Office of Court Administration, authorizing commissioned police officers to provide judges personal security, and placing new requirements when it comes to certifying court security personnel. Now, this bill came after a man attempted to kill Travis County District Judge Julie Kucerik while she and her son were in front of their home in 2015. Furthermore, in just the last 2 weeks, U.S. Senator John Cornyn announced a federal bill that would establish a new resource center to specifically train personnel and monitor threats against state and local judges and also court workers.